This competition will come one by one. First of all, you greet everyone. After that, you will give your brief introduction. Then you will describe your topic. Okay. In this, each competition, your flexibility check, confidence, fluency, and expressions. On the basis of these three things, your marks will be given. Okay. Let's start level 8.
I am Ashwati for of Question A is here for today's Question A and here for giving a speech on topic save energy, save future. Energy is the driving force of our life. Energy is very essential. Good afternoon everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to speak on a very important topic, save energy, save life. Energy is the driving force of our life. Energy is very essential, so we should conserve it as it is very important. If we save it today, then it will help the future generation in a very important.
Fantabulous good afternoon one and all. I hope you all are fit and fine. I am also sailing the same boat. Today I preparation from class plus 1C here to express my views on topic save energy, save life. Well, we all are human beings. We need energy to survive. But excess of everything is bad. As in this contemporary era, people using energy in excess without caring about future generation. Think what will happen if we deplete energy resources without saving. So this is my humble suggestion to all that it is our moral responsibility to save energy resources. I hope that charity begins from home. So to become the first one to do this noble cause. At last, I would like to say save energy, save life. Thank you. Have a meticulous day ahead.
Good afternoon to all. My name is present over here. Today I am here because we got a golden opportunity to speak on the topic save energy, save future. Energy is a vital resource we use every day. We have to conserve it and save it for our future generations. Our whole life revolves around energy and its resources. We are different energy. And with the use of AI, energy demand is also increasing. So energy conserved is also energy generated. So we must save it and give our future generations a sustainable life. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Good afternoon everyone. Today I am Aarti of class plus 1A. Today we are standing in front of you to speak on a topic save energy, save life. So we all know that energy is the vital resource of our lives. From the moment we wake up, we use energy. Electricity for fans, lights, fuels for vehicles, and gas for cooking. So we know that, but we often know that this resource is limited. So we can. So at last, I want to say that conserve it and thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. Today I am Deepan Kaur from class 9th here to speak on a topic save energy, save. Energy is a vital resource of all lives. Our life rotates around the energy and its resources. AI models use a lot of digital things to operate, and this surges the energy. The tech companies and the tech giants use many sustainable goals, but AI strain all their efforts which they put into their projects. At today's time, geothermal companies like Sage Geosystems have developed many advanced technologies, such as they are doing a new project according to which they would find hot rocks from the underground in deep resources in vital locations. In that rocks, they would inject water through injections, and that will make heat reservoirs which would be capable of producing electricity. This would help us to have electricity. So we should all use sustainable goals and should save energy for our future generations. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good.
Thank you.
Third was competition held by Atul House competition on the topic Save Energy, Save Life. In this competition, different students have taken part from 11th and 12th standard, and one is a special student that is from line A class. Without preparation, she has spoken well and her confidence level was really up to the mark. Even fluency was really very nice and appreciable. So I appreciate that child who has spoken without preparation here, and immediately she has prepared this topic on spot and is able to speak.
Deepan
Two
Kaur.
lines on that same topic. She is Deepan Kaur from line A. So clap for her. And also clap for all the participants who have participated here, because speaking our mother tongue is really just like a better process, but speaking our is good. But when we speak any other language, that is international language, which is not our mother tongue, it is really very hard to face audience. So here students have spoken well and they have spoken with proper fluency and confidence. So on the basis of these things, a result is prepared here on the basis of introduction part, presentation, confidence and fluency. So you may note down your marks. The introduction was considered for 1 mark, presentation 3 marks, confidence 3 marks, and fluency 3 marks. So in this, Ashman Kaur, she got 1 out of 1 in introduction, half out of 3 in presentation, half out of 3 in confidence, 2.5 out of 3 in fluency, total 4.5. Next, Aarti from plus 1A, she got 1 out of 1 in introduction part, 1.5 out of 3 in presentation, 1.5 out of 3 in confidence, 1 out of 3 in fluency, overall 5 marks. Next, Nimratpreet from class A, in introduction 1 out of 1, presentation 2 out of 3, confidence 2 out of 3, fluency 2.5 out of 3, overall 7.5 marks. Next, Balkirat Singh from plus 1C, 1 out of 1 in introduction, 2 out of 3 in presentation, 2.5 out of 3 in confidence, 2 out of 3 in fluency, overall 7.5. Overall our result is Nimratpreet from plus 1 to plus 2A and Balkirat Singh from plus 1C are first with 7.5 marks out of 10, and second is Aarti 5 out of 10, and third is Ashman Preet 4.5 out of 10. A clap for these children.